I'm not ready for it.
Yeah.
But it's coming whether we like it or not.
Yeah, you better be ready because 20s, 30s, a hard freeze 5 nights in a row. That arrives Black Friday, continues through the weekend. You need to prepare for the cold this weekend. It's 51 degrees outside right now. We've really seen a pretty big warm up since sunrise. It's 12 degrees cooler than it was yesterday. So you still need the jacket stepping out the door, but with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, it's going to be a really pleasant afternoon. If you need to get any yard work done before the family comes into town or before you head out of town, do it today. You're not going to want to do it after Thanksgiving because, again, it's going to get cold. Here's a snapshot of this evening. You can see all this rain up in the Ohio Valley. That stays to our north. It's just these very light spotty showers down in Mississippi that arrive here in Georgia after midnight. So, guys, this is certainly not going to be a washout. It's just spotty rain overnight. Here's the deal. Tomorrow morning, we're going to see a defined line of showers, maybe a few storms push through in the morning hours. Because it's the morning, you don't have the heating of the day. The severe risk is low with this from Atlanta up to the north. Atlanta down to the south, we can't rule out a stray strong storm, but I am not seeing a high risk for severe weather. So what can you expect? About 20 minutes of heavy rain, some gusty winds, maybe a rumble of thunder before 11 a.m. Then it will be dry. We completely dry out tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow evening stays dry. Temperatures will drop after this rain moves through. That rain is the leading edge of cold air. So tomorrow morning, you're putting the turkey in the oven. We're in the low 60s. You're probably thinking, dang, it's mild outside. Don't let that fool you. Look, by 3 p.m., it's 10 degrees cooler in the mid 50s. And by 6 p.m., if you eat late, many of you will be falling into the 40s. So it's going to get cooler through the day. Here's a snapshot of 6 p.m. tomorrow. 40s and low 50s. So chilly by tomorrow evening and cold by the time the sun rises on Black Friday. Mid 30s Friday morning, Friday afternoon, even with sunshine returning, we struggle to hit 50 degrees. It will be cold on Black Friday. That's the first alert weather day because you're going to need the winter wear if you're going to be out shopping, and you're going to need it all weekend long. This cold air is here to stay. Our first widespread freeze arrives on Saturday. Both Saturday and Sunday mornings will be in the low 30s. And then check this out. Next Monday and Tuesday, another Arctic blast moves in. We've added a first alert weather day for Monday because as the kids head back to the bus stop and as you step out the door on Monday morning, we're talking low to mid 20s. You're going to need the scarf, the gloves, the hat, all of the winter clothing that you haven't needed in months will be necessary not only Monday, but Tuesday as well. 2 hard freezes with highs only in the 40s. To begin the month of December. So yeah, that cold is here to stay. 66 degrees today. That's by far the warmest day over the next week. 65 tomorrow. That's in the morning. Temperatures fall into the 50s by the afternoon. Few morning showers, perhaps a stray storm. Then we dry out. Stays dry through this upcoming weekend. Freezing mornings. Highs only in the low 50s. 40s as highs next week.
And look